These are the controls of your Cascade Comfort. This is the temperature gauge for the tub water. This is your fill shower temperature gauge for both your shower wand and filling your spa. Here's your mixing valve that controls the temperature of the water. This turns your tub fill on, and this turns the jets on. Over here we have the hand spray activator that activates the shower wand, a spore-side injector, which you need to contact Penn or Patient Care at this point. It is nothing to be concerned about. Down here we have the disinfect jets and the rinsing of the disinfection out of the jets button. Shown here is the tub down and tub up, because this is a reclining spa. Over here, to unlock the door, you must pull up on the door release handle and pull up on the door handle. To transfer the resident into the spa, you have an area underneath the spa that's available for your facility lifters, or if they want to sit down directly into the spa, they can sit down and swing their legs in. Once the resident is in the spa, close the door. To lock the door, all you have to do is push the lever down. Once you have the resident in the spa, you can then start to fill the spa by pressing the tub fill button, using the mixing valve to adjust the temperature. And with the spa in the upright position, you can fill the water to the overflow. At any time, you can turn on the aqua air, you create the whirlpool action, and then recline the spa. When the bath is over, you can put the spa back in the upright position. Pull the drain plug. And wait for the spa to drain. During this time, you can also keep the aqua air on so it creates a warm air environment while they're waiting for the tub to drain. To disinfect the comfort, press and hold the disinfect jets button. And a pre-metered amount of disinfectant and water will flow through all jets. Once you have about a gallon of solution in the footwell, release the disinfect jets button, grab your long-handled tub brush supplied by Penner, scrub the sides of the spa, let it sit for the manufacturer's recommendation. After that time, release the dirty water. Come back to the rinse jets button. And that will force fresh water through all the air jets. And hit the aqua air button at the same time. Once you see clean water, release the rinse jets. Turn off the aqua air button, activate your shower wand, and rinse the sides of the spa. You are now ready for your next bath. Behind this locked door is the disinfectant. Make sure you check it every morning before baths start to make sure you have disinfectant in the jug.